Mr. Bloodworth.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, the state recalls Carmen Lauber.
Very good. Ms. Lauber, if you would please step in front of Brittany, we'll get you sworn back in.
Please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear the testimony you're about to give in the matter before the court to be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, subject to the pains and penalties of perjury? Thank you. Please have a seat.
Please have a seat. When you're comfortable, please adjust the mic so it's close. Probably going to need to be a little closer. Thank you. I appreciate that. Sounds good. Mr. Bloodworth, please proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good afternoon, ma'am. I understand the defense has some additional questions.
Ms. Lewis.
Good afternoon, Ms. Lauber.
Good afternoon.
Has anybody spoken to you about why you have been asked to come back today?
My lawyer told me I was getting recalled again today.
And were you told why you were being recalled?
No.
Okay. So nobody's talked to you about
No.
what we're going to go over?
No.
All right. I just have a few questions for you about your probation that you've been on since May of 2023 when you were released after all of your interviews with Detectives O'Driscoll and Detective Maynard, okay?
When I was released from Wasatch
Jail.
County?
Yes, when you were released
Okay.
from Wasatch County Jail, and then you were placed on probation.
Yes.
Okay.
Commander, yes.
All right. All right, so when you were released, and this is, I think we've already talked about, but just for some background, your probation was transferred to Summit County, right?
Yes.
And Detective Maynard became your probation officer.
Correct.
And you said that you texted him every day while on probation?
Yeah, sometimes I'd forget a couple days.
Okay. But every day from then, like through today?
Yes.
Okay. Did you text him about everything about your probation, like your work hours and
Yes.
everything was through text?
Sometimes phone calls, but yeah, he had my work schedule through text, mostly texts.
Okay. And would those texts be available either on your phone or on his? Do you know?
They should be, yes.
Okay. All right. Now, when you were when you were released and you went on probation, you signed a paper acknowledging what your conditions on release would be, correct?
Yes.
And that, well, actually, Katie, can you pull up Defense Exhibit 3014 for the witness? Can you see that?
She
There's
will in
nothing
just a
there
moment.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay.
And do you recognize that as your conditions of probation that you signed and agreed to?
Yes.
Your Honor, could we I'd move to admit 3014 and publish it.
Objection, Your Honor. Hearsay.
These are being admitted to show what Ms. Lauber understood, correct, Ms. Lewis?
Right.
Okay.
Correct.
Overruled. 3014 is admitted for the purpose of showing Ms. Lauber's understanding.
Okay, and you signed that paper agreeing you would follow those conditions. Is that true?
Correct.
Do you want me to publish these?
Oh, yes, I said that.
Okay.
Sorry. But since May of 23, I mean, you violated these conditions, true?
I don't recall what you mean by that.
Have you violated any of the conditions that you agreed to since you signed that paper?
Which one did you? No.
You haven't violated any conditions?
weapon one? Is that
I'm
the one
sorry,
you're talking
what?
about? The weapon one? Is that the one you're talking about?
I'm asking you, did you violate the weapons condition?
There was a weapon found in my room when they raided it, yes. If that's what you're meaning.
Was there a weapon found after you signed these conditions?
Yes.
So you violated that condition.
Yes.
All right. You also violated the alcohol condition, correct?
If you're talking about where I went to a concert,
That's correct. That's what I'm talking about.
yes.
All right.
My-
So, and that was in November of 2023, correct?
I'm not sure. The day of the concert, I went with a bunch of friends.
Okay. Could we just show the witness defense exhibit 3010? And actually, you violated in October of 2023. Is that correct? Okay. I'm sorry. So October of 2023, you violated your alcohol condition, true?
I went there with a bunch of friends, and my buddy who bought me the ticket, I asked him if I could pay him back. He said, no, you could just buy the drinks and snacks.
All right. And you drank the drinks also.
No, I did not.
Well, so you were seen at the concert by a detective from the Summit County Police Force,
With
correct?
buying them, yes, correct.
And you had alcohol in your hand, correct?
Correct.
And afterwards, he contacted you, correct?
Maynard did, I believe. I don't
Okay.
think-
It was
I don't think-
Detective Maynard contacted you.
Yeah, I don't think this detective did.
And you admitted to him that you drank the alcohol,
I
correct?
had told him I was there with it, yes.
You said you consumed it.
No, I did not. I don't recall time I consumed it, no. I had bought the snacks and beverages for,
Would you look at what's in front of, actually, Your Honor, can we just publish this now? I beg to admit. For
Objection, Your Honor.
purposes.
I think
Not-
you, hearsay,
Hearsay, yes.
sustained.
All right, I want you to take a look with the line that is,
Can't read it.
thank you, highlighted. I was gonna count it, but the line that is highlighted.
yes, I see it.
And what does that refresh your recollection as to what you told Detective Maynard?
No, I don't recall, but if it's there, I guess so.
So you did tell Detective Maynard you actually drank alcohol, correct?
I don't recall, but if it's there, I guess so.
Okay, so if Detective Maynard said that you admitted that to him, that's true.
Yes, yeah,
All right.
he said it, yes.
And in fact, you also violated your curfew too, correct? You had a curfew, isn't that true? Let me back up. You had a curfew, correct?
Yes,
You had to be home every night by 9 p.m.?
yes.
And you violated that also when you went to the concert, correct?
I don't recall if I stayed the whole concert. I did not stay the whole concert. I left early.
So,
If I was home at 9 o'clock, probably not exactly at 9.
so you don't admit that you violated your curfew.
Yes, I do.
You did violate your curfew.
Yes, but I
Okay.
said I did not stay the whole concert.
Okay. So the reason that you were discovered in violation is because an officer saw you, correct?
Correct.
Or no one would have ever known, correct?
I'm not too sure. I had an ankle monitor on. They would know where I was at.
But they wouldn't know you were drinking.
No.
No. Okay, so you just happened to be caught on this occasion, correct?
Correct.
All right. So then in February of 2024, you wrote a letter to Judge Mabee, who was over your drug court, correct?
I don't recall.
Okay, could you show Exhibit 3012, thank you. Take a look at that and tell me if that is the letter that you sent to Judge Mabee. Do you remember that letter now, Ms. Lauber?
Yeah.
You do?
Yes, I do.
Okay. I'd move to admit Exhibit 3012 and publish it.
Objection, Your Honor, hearsay.
It's not.
Are we admitting you for the truth?
I mean, it's her statement. She can be questioned about it.
So, question her.
Yes.
It's the- If you're admitting for the truth, it's hearsay.
All right. All right. In this letter, you were asking for permission to go visit your boyfriend in Las Vegas once a month, correct?
Yes.
Okay. And in this letter, you said that. Actually, Your Honor, could we approach 1 second?
Of course.
Okay. So you were writing to ask for permission to go. Oh, can you take that down, Katie? I'm sorry.
I've got it.
To go to Vegas once a month, correct?
Yes.
And in that letter in February of 24, you said that you have been in 100% full compliance with everything asked of me, so I should be allowed to do this, correct?
Yes.
But that wasn't true, right?
Yes. No. Yes. Yes and no.
It was
most
not.
part,
It wasn't
yes.
true that you'd been
No.
in 100% compliance. So
No.
what you represented to Judge Mabee in order to get to do something you wanted to do wasn't correct, right?
Correct.
It was an untrue statement.
Yes.
All right. If I could just have one moment. Your Honor, that's all we have.
Ms. Lauber, you just testified to a gun. Do you recall that?
Yes.
Was that the gun that detectives seized when executing a warrant on your home on April the 26th, 2023?
Correct.
And then you entered into the probation agreement about a month later on May the 18th, 2023?
I'm not sure exactly the date, but
it's in evidence. Thank
yes.
Ms. Lewis, may we allow this witness to step down?
Yes, we may.
Are we releasing this witness?
No, we would ask that she just be, the subpoena remain in effect.
Okay.
But she may leave now. Yes.
So, Ms. Lauber, to be clear, like the last time, you're free to go, but you're still subject to subpoena. You may be called back. Because of that possibility, I need you to not read, watch, or listen to any coverage of this case of any kind.
Okay.
And do not talk to anybody about your testimony.
Okay.
Okay, very good. You're free to go.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.